You're going to need the Turtle Wax Headlight Restoration Kit. It comes with everything you see there: gloves, wipes, sandpaper, cubes, and it has 4 grits of sanding, and then you use a spray to lube it so you can sand it. So I opted out to buy Rust-Oleum Clear Coat because it has UV protection and it lasts longer. So far so good. My car has no yellowing on it, so I recommend this UV Rust-Oleum spray paint. The only bad thing about it, the spray paint, is you might get yellow peel. So it takes skills to learn how to spray paint properly. Give it like 8 inches to around 12. Go watch a tutorial though, and practice. Yep. You might consider using old newspaper to cover the entire thing, so when you start spray painting, it doesn't go everywhere. So now you want to also get green auto tape or masking tape, so you can stick the masking tape onto your headlights and mask everything because you don't want to mess it up. Garbage bags work too, but you have to cut them up, and yeah, just cut them up as, flat.
And then I tape this shit down. After.
So why should you buy it? The price is good at sub $10, and the spray paint is around like $6. Is UV clear coat though. The amount of work is around like 2 to 4 hours. The masking takes the longest time, and a little bit of elbow grease. You can get all the supplies with the links below from Amazon. It's free for you to click, and I get a small affiliate commission if you do, to help my channel grow. And thanks for watching, guys. So till next time, peace.